friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. We already talked with you how to choose your first violin. Now it's time to talk about how to choose your first bow. And if you haven't seen my previous videos, I'll leave for you link down below or simply click on the icon at the end of this video. As I said, today we will talk about how to choose your bow. Well, if you are buying your violin in a music store and it's set, violin, case and the bow, you don't have to worry about anything because you have the right size of the violin, the same size bow and the case. But if you are going in a music store and you want to buy only the bow, make sure you know size of your violin, because then you will go to the music store, you'll tell to the salesman, "Hi, I have this size of the violin," and he will give you right size for your bow. But usually if it's 4/4 violin, it will be 4/4 size for the bow. If it's 3/4 violin size, it will be 3/4 for the bow. First thing that you want to check is how heavy the bow. Bow don't have to be very light and very heavy. It has to be something between. After, check the end screw if it's working properly. See if the hair is getting tense properly, just like this. Yeah, and feel here how the frog moving, because when we are working with the end screw, you can feel the frog moving and you can see how the hair getting tense. After you tense the hair on the bow, check if the hair was installed properly. If the hair installed properly, it will be straight line here at the frog and here at the tip of the bow. If you see that the hair is not straight here and here, like they are not creating straight line, that means the job is not very good and soon the hair will start to fall from the bow. Also, when the hair is tense, check the bow stick, just like this. It has to be straight. If it has some curves, definitely don't buy this bow, it's not good at all. And of course, don't forget to buy some rosin if you don't have one already. It will help you a lot. That's it for today. Next time we will learn with you how to hold the bow. Something like this. And to not miss this lesson, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and you will learn something new and even more. Bye!